Hi there. Today we're taking a look at some NMEA components, and right here we've got an Ancor NMEA 2000 cap. This one happens to thread into a NMEA T or a hub, and it does actually have kind of a Phillips head here, just to kind of help if it ever does get stuck. You get one sometimes that have been in there for a while. This gives you another option to remove the cap should need be. The edge has a nice little kind of knurling around here in plastic. It's lightweight because it's made out of plastic, which always helps. You don't want to be adding a lot of weight to a lot of your components when you're mounting these things onto boards, your T's and hubs and stuff like that. Really clean threads, they work really well. Inside is hollow, as you can see, but it's got a nice little flat seat here to allow it to seal to the NMEA component. I've got a T right here. You always want to make sure that you keep the similar materials. So I've got a plastic T and a plastic cap, and you can see threads right in, nice and tight. You can tell it's nice and tight and sealed when that hub doesn't want to twist or turn. Hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.